Some calendar dates are noted, this one is tasted. Every year on April 8th, kitchens, street corners, and food stalls across the world quietly unite around one simple, powerful idea: the empanada. What started as a practical way to wrap and carry food, rooted in Spain and carried across Latin America, became something much bigger. Argentina gave it depth, Colombia gave it crunch, the Caribbean gave it flair, and everywhere it landed, it adapted, without ever losing its soul. Because an empanada isn't just food, it's geography you can hold in your hand. On one side, there's tradition, flour-dusted tables, careful folds, recipes passed down without ever being written. On the other, there's evolution, neon-lit food markets, gourmet twists, sauces you didn't see coming, and chefs pushing boundaries one bite at a time. And somehow, both worlds meet in that first bite. The crunch hits, the filling follows, and for a moment, everything else pauses. That's why National Empanada Day matters. It's not about one country, it's not about one recipe, it's about how something small, simple, and portable became global, without losing its identity. April 8th isn't just another food holiday, it's your official excuse to explore culture, crispy, golden, and filled with stories. So whether you're grabbing one from a street vendor, making them at home, or chasing the best version in your city, come hungry, leave impressed.